Oh no! So I wonder what's boat race. So I guess they do have a boat race in Kitakyushu as well. So you can just see here. Alright, I'm gonna have to try and tilt, and I'm hoping that this shows you. And this is like indoor waterfall here, but it sort of comes down in stages, so that people at the bottom don't just get completely soaked. And then it just comes right there, and because there's nothing blocking here, I've seen people just walk straight in because they weren't paying attention, and it's just like oh, it's so funny to see. Love a bit of Schadenfreude. I'm sneaking a view as I sneak. Breakfast at McDonald's in Folkestone. Back to work soon. Real work. I mean, I understand that. Like, we all work. I mean, I do Sunday to Thursday, except for today. I managed to get today off. Yay! Wait, what time is it? So, it's just going 6 p.m. here. What time is it for you guys, I wonder? I found tax-free to be a bit of a pain, but then again, I mainly buy games when I'm in Japan. The process is annoying. Like, I've worked in a company that did tax-free for customers, and like that was one of the things that I did. Can I walk on here? I'm walking on here. Oh, look at it! Oh shit, it's coming at me. Oh shit, oh, it's going that way, it's fine. Oh no, it is coming at me. Ah, lovely. Mr. Salmon, splash me in the face, wake me up, doing the opposite of what you wanted to do. Yeah, so for tax-free, like, you've got to give your passport, you've got to wait and get like paperwork done, filled in. This is Riverworld. Let's see. So, there's nothing to say I can't go in here and film. Except there'll probably be a security guy that comes to run in and be like, no, don't go in there and film. So I want to see this whale. He looks like he's having a whale of a time. Oh, there's a button. Shall I push it? I'm going to push the button. The button did nothing. Either that or it's already doing its thing. Okay, we're going to walk out of here. There we go. See, it's tax-free. Like, if you're only buying small stuff, it might not be worth it. If you're buying big expensive stuff, then it can save you a fair bit of cash. So this shopping centre, to give it a bit more scale, it goes way the fuck up there. I just stand nearby for hours and laugh at the people who step in the puddle. I've spent time doing that. And I wish I could say I felt bad for doing it. But I don't want to lie. I had a great time just watching people step in the puddle. Because again, it'll be people who are like really not paying attention, like they're playing with their phone or something like that. And I never saw someone go right in that sort of didn't kind of deserve it. Admittedly, I'm now walking around with my phone, but I'm paying attention, damn it. Like, kind of have to. I don't want to end up in there. Speaking of there, that is Kokura Castle. And we're not going to go in, but we're going to go by. We're going to go come hither. So 10 AM for Speedstar, 5 AM in Detroit. I wonder if you're going to catch the 5 AM train going anywhere. Okay, have fun. Catch you later, Jikyuu. See you later, Speedstar. Thank you for stopping by. It's always a pleasure. Always a pleasure. Jikyuu presses button, destroys everything. Security guard turns up. Why did you press that button? Because it's a button. Buttons need to be buttoned. Okay, so Kokoro Castle over there, and the Kokoro Castle Japanese garden is also over there. So we're gonna go over there. What was that game? Don't push the button or something like that. And like you've got a whole bunch of other things that you could do, but you're just not meant to push the button or something. I never played it. I saw a couple of people play it. And again, I'm gonna try and give you a bit of scale to see how big Riverwalk is. That grunting is me having to lean back. Because of sodding short wire. I think my next investment for this channel is going to be a longer wire. So the garden is actually there. I went in it once with a friend, and it's kind of nice. Like, it's a garden. To be fair, like when it comes to stuff like that, if you really want to see a nice, like Japanese garden or something, a really nice something, just look on Google Images. You'll get a much better view of it than like a cloudy day that you'd happen to come. So, over there's Kokoro Castle. And over there, there's a couple who got married and they're getting wedding pictures. And I won't disturb them. I'm going to stare at them. Sorry guys, I'm not letting you stare. Look, quick glance. There we go. And we're going to glance back. There we go. But we are now going to walk around yonder castle. Okay, I think we're too late to go in. But since we're already here, may as well see what we can see. It's going to change that light. There, it's a little bit better. Actually, no, it's the same. Oh yeah, it's because, right, on my screen it looked dark. So I tried to like auto set the light and it didn't really change it. And then I realised it looks dark on my screen because I've got the chat overlay. In fact, I'm going to take a screenshot of this. So hopefully I can show you guys later what I see. And I'm hoping that that didn't destroy the stream. Does anyone want some pickles? It's the Japanese pickle shop. I wonder if that's on this map as well. Right, so we're here. That's the castle. Around here we can probably go in. I think that's still open. And that's kind of a nice stream still alive. Oh, good. And that's kind of a nice little thing. And sort of around there as well is a nice park area. So we'll go down there. A shop for nothing but pickles. Stiggin would love that. Especially with the new Rick and Morty's coming out with Pickle Rick, Japanese Pickle Rick. Pickle Rick. That's no, it's not pickle. Fuck, what's the word for pickle? Fuck. Maybe it'll be on another sign. I was just gonna say I probably shouldn't have cut right across there. I should have probably gone around. But then I saw people walking across as well, and I thought, yay, I can get away with it. Dun, 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 dun. So the gate's closed from 6:30. So we've got like 20 minutes. 10 minutes in, 10 minutes out. Maybe a second or two to shake it all about, doing the hokey cokey while we turn around. Oh shit, I shouldn't have spun around while going uphill. I hear crows. I don't know if you can hear them. If I move my hand away. Yeah. Go up the stairs. There we go. I dislike crows. I love castle walls there. They look very cool. Especially the of the period cones. So yeah, as you can see, the castle is closed. That is an annoying crow. I know, right? I mean, I hate crows anyway, but... hello. I love these guys. Like, they could use a cone, or just a regular stander, because I think that one's actually used. But no, they still use a nice little cute one. Put a face on. We can't have them in the UK. Can't have nice things, unfortunately. They get stolen, vandalised. Can I? Oh shit, I can. Let's put that back. I didn't think that'd be light enough. Okay. Hello, tree. You're a ginkgo bilbao. Or bilba. Ginkgo bilba. Icho. Now let's get out of here before the ghosts of the past come and say, what is that guy doing with a cellular phone? A weird freak. There's an interesting tree there. It's kind of curving around like a snake. Let's have a quick look at that. Just sort of coming away from its main route, and it's coming right around this post. If other people are already doing bad things, then it's okay for you to do it. Society rules. Damn right. Unless they then get in trouble, in which case I didn't do it. I wasn't even there. I was in Tokyo. I was still in the Toke of the Yo, not in the Fuku of the Yoka. So over there's the library and the big park. Let's go to the big park. I do miss Kokura. I say that like every time I come, I'm like, oh, I miss here, oh, I miss there. When I go to Hiroshima, I'm like, oh, why did I move? Lovely place. So let's see, stream-wise then, we've done Tokyo. I'll just tick Tokyo off. And we've done Fukuoka. Did we do Chiba? While I was living in Chiba Prefecture, did we do a stream from Chiba? I don't remember. I don't think we did. So I think what would be an interesting challenge is if we do a stream in all 47 prefectures. Future goals. Future stuff for future Jikyuu to worry about. And I'm glad we can no longer hear the annoying crow. Although I did forget how long it takes to cross these damn roads. actually. I'm gonna cross that one. Because I know that one, like, that puts me straight over in the park, whereas that one I'll have to cross that bridge. Conveniently, the light now changes! Yay! So to give a bit of perspective again, like the distance that we've covered, just over there, like we've sort of done a loop, and back over there is the river that we crossed. I remember some nighttime Tokyo, some daytime Tokyo, some mountain Tokyo. So we need underwater Tokyo. Maybe. I don't know if I'll get good Wi-Fi signal down there. But we are coming up to the park. This park's pretty nice, pretty fun. When, like, especially if there's an event on or something like that. When there's nothing on, it's still a nice park. Now, either the park is on fire, or they've got a nice sprinkler system going on. We're going to go over there and we're going to find out which one it is. Do I cut across the grass? What does the sign say? The sign says, do not shampoo your hair while being followed by a dog. Or rather do, because there's no cross art on it. No ball games, no littering, no graffiti, no smoking, pick up after your dog, and conveniently, the hole is a hole. Oh. And when we find out there's fire, and we're the only ones around, we'll run away. I mean, like, there's nothing I can do. And I'm seeing, I think I can see other people there, a couple of other people over there walking across the grass. So I think we're good, I think we're safe, I think we're fine, I think we are dandy. That is the best pick up your dog strap sign I've ever seen. Yeah, because it's like, that means if the dog was pooing, that hole would be filled in. It's like an indicator to, like, how close your dog is to taking a crap. Oh, that woman just walked through the mist there like it was a weird, creepy horror movie. Yeah, I think it's a lovely sprinkler system. I'm kind of umming and ahhing about walking through it though, with my phone being all exposed. Kind of depends on how viscous, it's probably the wrong word, how watery that water vapor is. It's coming up from these grates, and it's sort of, the wind has changed a bit and it is coming for us. Right, hang on. Let me. Okay. I'm not. I just walked through it. I'm not too wet. I felt. Oh, it is coming back. I felt it though. So we'll walk through it together. I wouldn't want this to be something for you to have missed. Yay. And at that moment, the stream dies. Oh bugger, that actually was quite a lot of water. Sunflowers! Ah, I would say that was cool, calm and refreshing, but to be honest it was not. I didn't feel it at all. You're nothing to me. Actually that one was pretty good. I guess like, so I walked directly over it, and that water just sort of went straight up. Cooled what needs to be cooled.